So we just drove to Missouri to pick up the newest member of our family. A little orange and white female for Milo to be his little friend. The only thing is she is covered in fleas and funk.
Her ears are filled.
So we did not even drive 10 minutes with her before locating a Walmart, and we are going to give her a bath right here because we are a flea-free farm and we want to keep it that way. Have you ever seen so many fleas on one tiny animal? We are just not familiar with this. As you can see, there's the Walmart. We're at some closed down gas station, washing this cat out here, water, flea stuff. I don't even know if we're going to be able to get all this off this kitten.
We got to, we don't have a choice.
Alright, I think we are finally more than halfway done. We've probably been here an hour. We are sweating. It was a 100-degree day. Thankfully, we're in this little bit of a shady area. This wall is super hot and warm, so that's probably actually helping to keep her warm while she's soaking wet.
Keeping her warm, making us hot.
Yeah, we're sweating. This poor creature, and the lady probably had about 10 to 20 more kittens there. It's probably 20 birds, a bunch of aquariums with stuff in it.
Probably like
10 dogs maybe.
200 animals in the house.
Yeah. We're doing what we can. I mean, I was almost crying, ready to give up. I wanted to see if there was like some grooming place that we could just go in there and beg them to clean it, but Matt forced me to press on. I'm glad I have. And like I said, we're probably pretty close to done. So when we first got this kitten, my thoughts were, oh no, we're taking it away from its mom and its sisters and friends, even though I think the mom was outside. It's gonna be sad and stuff, but look at it with Kaysen. So if Kaysen gets within like 4 feet away from this kitten, it will start meowing after him. Okay, what do you want to say, Kaysen?
So she meows for me like she thinks I'm her mom or dad.
Mm-hmm.
Kaysen, he's going to poop on you.
She's not gonna poop. She's okay.
Yes, he is.
She has little stripes, orange stripes that you might not be able to see. So Milo is really big. He's full grown actually. I felt him and he's about this round. Milo's about this round.
So you thought Milo was small until you got a new baby kitten, and now Milo seems really big to you?
Yeah.
What's your new kitten's name?
Miss Kitty.
Miss Kitty?
Yep.
What's the kitty doing? Going faster? What are you two doing?
Laying down on the pillow.
Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty.